Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about heterogametic sex determination. So let us see what is heterogametic sex determination with a definition here. In heterogametic sex determination, one of the sexes produces similar gametes and the other sex produces dissimilar gametes. So we can say humans as an example here. The sex of the offspring is determined at the time of fertilization. So what they are trying to tell here is we will be having two types of sexes, right? One will be the male sex and the other will be the female sex. Here in heterogametic type of sex determination, what do you mean by hetero? Hetero means different, whereas homo means same. Since this is heterotype, the male, for example, if we take humans as an example, we can say that the males will produce two types of gametes. So the sperms, in the sperms, one sperm will have X chromosome and 50% of the other sperms will have Y chromosome as the allosome. Whereas in females, all the eggs produced by the females will be having only one type of chromosome, one type of sex chromosome, which will be X chromosome, right? So the females in humans will produce all the eggs having X chromosome only, whereas the human males will produce two types of gametes which are different by the difference in the type of allosome. First type will be heterogametic males. In this method of sex determination, the males are heterogametic. The males are heterogametic, producing dissimilar gametes, right? So one is having X and one is having Y, so they are dissimilar in nature. While the females are homogametic, producing similar type of gametes. So here the female producing egg will always have an X chromosome. So the females are producing similar gametes. It is of two kinds. Even the heterogametic male type of sex determination is divided into two types. One will be our XO type, XXXO type of sex determination, which is seen in bugs, cockroaches and grasshoppers. And the other type is XXXY type, which is present in human beings and Drosophila. Drosophila is a type of fly, that is fruit fly. Okay, so let me explain these two types. So for example, if we talk about humans here, the XX type will be a female and the XY having organism will be a male. Whereas in bugs, cockroaches and grasshoppers, one sex will have XX set of chromosomes and the other sex will have only one X chromosome, and there will not be X chromosome or Y chromosome. So it is mentioned as O here. So the other sex will have only one allosome in its cells, somatic cells. So this is heterogametic males. And here in the heterogametic females, in this method of sex determination, the females are heterogametic, producing dissimilar gametes. In humans, we saw that the females will produce only one type of gamete. But in these type of organisms, the females will be producing two types of gametes and the males will be producing a similar type of gamete, right? So while males are homogametic, producing similar gametes. To avoid confusion with the XXXO and XXXY types, which is the heterogametic male type. So what they are trying to say here is, to avoid confusion with the heterogametic male type of sex determination, we are going to use here the alphabets Z and W here to avoid confusion. So are used here instead of X and Y respectively. Heterogametic females are two types again. This is also subdivided into two types. The first type is ZZ type, which are present in moths, butterflies and domestic chickens, and ZWZZ type, which are seen in gypsy moths, fishes, reptiles and birds. So in this type, since the females are heterogametic, we can clearly say that here it is different, so this will be a female one, and here it is different and this will be a female one. So the males have ZZ, same type of chromosomes, and this here also having same type of chromosome. So here we can clearly see that here in this type of organism, female is having one different type of chromosome and another different type of chromosome, and here the female is having only one chromosome and there is absence of the other pair of chromosome. This is how the heterogametic females type of sex determination works. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and continue to support the channel. Thank you.